Hey everybody, and welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I'm Gandharva. Today is Saturday, and today is the day of the loner. The loner. Today is a very primal day. The most primal thing is the physical body. So it's a day not only of silence and solitude, but a day to honor the body. And a day to honor food, the food that supports the body. Without food and water, no body. Food, water, sex, excretions, death. The loner. For someone with the loner in the spiritual area, the body is a temple. To be honored. To have full awareness on the body. No one understood this better than the great poet Jim Harrison, who was a spiritual loner. Someone whose physical body led to spiritual experiences. And he said, to remember that you're alive, visit the cemetery of your father at noon after you've made love and are still wrapped in a mammalian odor that you are forced to cherish. Under each stone is someone's inevitable surprise, the unexpected death of their biology that struggled hard as it must. Now, go home without looking back at the fading cemetery. Enough is enough. But stop on the way to buy the best wine you can afford and a dozen stiff brooms. Have a few swallows, then throw the furniture out the window and begin sweeping. Sweep until you've swept the walls bare of paint, and at your feet sweep the floor until it disappears. Finish the wine in this field of air. Go back to the cemetery in the dark and weave through the stones a slow dance of your name, visible only